Welcome to Beerstories. This video is an unboxing video on the Float WiFi Hydrometer from Brewbrain. I just got this for Christmas actually. But first, if you like my videos, please click subscribe and please like the video down below. You can also find Beerstories on Instagram and Facebook. Please follow me there as well. I would really appreciate that. Yeah, but back to the Float. Well, that's it. Everything is in here. An extra cap. I guess that's nice if you lose it or it breaks or anything like that. Maybe it wears out when you unscrew it a lot of times, and yeah, so that's it. It's actually ready for use. There's a switch in here, setup, off, and measure, and then a USB for powering up, for charging the battery. Yeah, and that's it. I just need to connect it to the Wi-Fi through the homepage or the web page, and that's it. There's gonna be a lot of videos on how I use this in the near future. So yeah, you just have to wait and see what comes.